Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we will compare two innovative portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. First up is the DXJJ portable washing machine, a compact and foldable washer perfect for small spaces and travel. Next, we have the Obila portable washing machine, which boasts a larger capacity and a spin basket for enhanced drying. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capacity, the Obila portable washing machine takes the lead with a generous 16-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. In contrast, the DXJJ model offers a smaller 10-liter capacity, which may be suitable for lighter loads but could require more frequent washing sessions. If you're looking for a machine that can handle larger laundry needs, the Obila is the better choice. In terms of features, the Obila portable washing machine stands out with its included spin basket, which enhances drying efficiency and convenience. The DXJJ model, while offering 3 washing modes, does not include a spin basket, which may limit its drying capabilities. Both machines are foldable and designed for easy storage, but the added functionality of the Obila gives it an edge for users seeking versatility. Finally, let's talk about price. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at $50.39, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washer without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Obila model is priced at $79.99, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. If you're willing to invest a bit more for enhanced functionality, the Obila may be worth it. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Obila portable washing machines offer unique advantages for those in need of a compact laundry solution. The DXJJ is perfect for budget-conscious users, while the Obila provides added features for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.